welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make this phone stand. So let's get into the video. Let's cover our table with a plastic sheet. You'll need some clay. This is handmade clay. I have uploaded a video on how to make this clay. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Now I'm gonna divide this clay into 4 pieces. Now we are gonna add 4 different colors to these clays. I'm gonna use poster colors for this. I'm gonna use white, orchid yellow, black and brown. Use half of the brown clay to make a ball like this. Flatten the white clay and using a marker's cap, cut out a tiny circle like this. Shape this circle into an oval shape. Stick it onto the face. Using an X-Acto knife, draw a line on top and then a V shape onto the bottom like this. Take this much of clay like this and then stick it onto the white clay like this. Put 2 holes with a pencil for the eyes and cover the eyes with some black clay like this. Take a pink colored chalk piece and scrape off the powder like this. Mix a little glue with the powder and make pink cheeks. Make 2 little balls for the ears and then stick them like this. You gotta put a little hole onto the center. Put some glue and then stick it like this. Do the same thing for the other ear. Take some more brown clay and then shape the body like this. Poke a stick onto the center like this, put some glue and then attach the body to the head. Make 2 hands like this. This is one hand and this is another hand. Now attach the hands using glue. Now make legs. You have to make 2 legs like this. And then put 2 holes onto the bottom and then do the same thing onto the legs. Put some glue and then stick it like this. Let this one dry. While this one dries, take a rectangular piece of clay and then take a small rectangular piece of plastic. Fold it and cut out some triangles like this. Fold the crown and then glue the crown onto the head of the teddy bear and then again let this one dry. Now this one has dried and we finished our teddy bear. Definitely try this out, friends. This phone stand has helped me a lot during my online classes, friends. Before and all, when I rest my phone on something, it would show my face or it would show my desk alone. Now this stand is helping me to show my face with my desk. This was helpful for me and I hope this will help you too. So I hope you like this video, friends. Bye. Give this video a big thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new videos.